Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video about POLKADOT. POLKADOT DOT is one more top coin you presumably just knew about after its exceptionally noteworthy execution in 2021. Be that as it may, what amount might POLKADOT at some point be worth in 2022, and then some? We should initially return a stage to remind ourselves why financial backers are so bullish on DOT. Remembering that POLKADOT is as yet a very youthful cryptographic money, it tends to be difficult to work out DOT's hidden worth. By and by, what is POLKADOT generally anticipated to reach? DAB is the badge of the POLKADOT organization. SPEC is utilized for administration, marking, and holding of tokens. SPEC isn't an ERC20 token and did not depend on the Ethereum (ETH) blockchain. There is no maximum stockpile of DOT tokens, very much like Ethereum, and that implies that DOT is an inflationary digital currency that doesn't have a shortage angle. Who is behind POLKADOT? The POLKADOT convention was made by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the prime supporters of Ethereum. Subsequent to understanding that the Ethereum blockchain stage could experience different sharding issues after the send-off of Ethereum 2.0, Wood thought of POLKADOT, a heterogeneous multi-chain system that would uphold the improvement of Web 3.0, Wood's arrangement for a decentralized World Wide Web. Sharding is the most common way of isolating a blockchain's hubs into discrete shards. After Wood delivered the POLKADOT white paper on 14 November 2016, the venture sent off through an ICO, introductory coin offering, in 2017. Its most memorable symbolic deal shut on 27 October and raised an aggregate of 485,331 ETH and more than $140 million at that point, making it one of the best ICOs of all time. What is POLKADOT used for? POLKADOT utilizes a named confirmation of stake agreement system, which is where nominators pick validators by sponsorship them with their tokens. These validators work on the relay chain, which is where all exchanges are sent from all the parachains to be approved on the whole organization. POLKADOT can refresh without the requirement for forks. All things considered, overhauls are made on-chain. It can likewise associate public and private chains and profits. Now and then, POLKADOT does a parachain sell-off, where parachains are auctions off. These parachains can be redone and set up with their own administration rules which are not hindered by POLKADOT. POLKADOT likewise has a cozy relationship with Kusama, KSM, which is an exploratory testnet for POLKADOT, where thoughts can be given a shot prior to being added to POLKADOT. Who uses POLKADOT? As indicated by POLKADOT's 2021 finish of all year up, very nearly 3 million records were made on POLKADOT and Kusama, tragically, not determining how much for each chain, with 31 substrate-based mainnets live and 6,000 validators. Probably the greatest digital currencies working on POLKADOT incorporate Chainlink, Compound, Comp, Anchor, ANKR, Ontology, Ontari. At the point when CoinMarketCap initially began following the cost of DOT on the 21st of August 2020, it sold for $2.875 per coin. In 2021, DOT began exchanging at $8.3068, arrived at an unsurpassed high of $55 on the 4th of November, and finished the year at $26.72. POLKADOT's recorded all-time low is $2.69, as indicated by CoinMarketCap, which it came to on the 20th of August 2020, and it has a 52-week low of $10.42. Master's take on POLKADOT price predictions. POLKADOT value expectations are by and large sure. Just Trading Beasts and Coin Price Forecast anticipate that DOT should decline, however, at various places in the following quite a long while. Value prediction. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of DOT, in 2022, the cost of POLKADOT is anticipated to reach at least degree of $24.54. The DOT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $28.81, with a typical exchanging cost of $25.25. Digitalcoinprice. The cost of one Polkadot (DOT) can generally be up to $26.02 United States dollars in 1 year's time, at 2x almost from the ongoing Polkadot cost. Governor Capital. Future cost of the DOT resource is anticipated at $111.9641428841 $549.293% following a year as indicated by our forecast framework. That's what this intends, assuming you put $100 now in DOT. Your ongoing venture might be valued at $649.293 on 2023 March 01, Wednesday. Cryptoground. According to the figure and algorithmic investigation, the cost of one Polkadot (DOT) will be around $87.6046 in 2027. Creed. The cost of Polkadot is supposed to reach a least worth of $428.60 in 2030. The Polkadot cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $490.84, with a typical exchanging cost of $440.26 all through 2030. Polkadot (DOT) price predictions. Will DOT go up? Our Polkadot expectation recommends that the middle cost might exchange above $40 inside the initial half year and can reach $52 before the year's over. As indicated by specialists' cost forecasts, the typical DOT cost will remain above $140 in 2025, and the Polkadot digital money might ascend to a limit of $370 in 2030. Assuming that you intend to put resources into Polkadot, you'll have to consider the accompanying elements which can affect the cost of DOT. As we referenced before in the video, Polkadot was worked by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the fellow benefactors of Ethereum. Many individuals believe Polkadot to be Ethereum's fundamental adversary. This is on the grounds that the two stages are intended to help the underpinning of other blockchain resources, notwithstanding their local token. Ethereum's local cryptographic money is EtherEth. In view of this apparent contention, a few experts accept that the outcome of Ethereum might actually have impeded the advancement of Polkadot. Ethereum has additionally appreciated critical development north of 2021, likewise hitting new highs, and it is not yet clear whether their opposition will reach a crucial stage from here on out. Another vital variable is DeFi, decentralized finance, a type of money that intends to eliminate monetary administrations from the control of incorporated bodies, for instance, banks and other huge foundations. The thought is that this will give regular individuals more noteworthy command over their cash without exploring elements, for example, move expenses and trade rates. Polkadot, DOT, price prediction 2022. The 9 investigators offering a year cost gauges